Dobrodošli v marčevski mladinski oddaji. Že 6. leto zaporedoma so se ljudje zbrali, da bi proslavili dame hip-hopa. Poglejmo si festival Big Girls Do It Better in se naučimo nekaj o športno-kulturnem društvu GOR.
We organized this event, Big Girls Do It Better, now in 2019 for the 6th time in a row. And it's a break event for mostly girls. We also, of course, invite boys, but we need to we want to empower the women in hip hop. And since the beginning, we have been trying to concentrate to get more women involved in hip hop because it's quite male-dominated culture.
Are you alive today? You feeling good? Come on, make some noise for me. I guess time for slaves to try that out.
Girls are still a minority, but little by little I hope we're changing this, and yeah, we'll see.
Borimo se za enakopravnost še naprej. Poglejmo reportažo o dogodkih posvečenih Mednarodnem dnevu žensk v Krškem.
My name is Omaima, I'm ABS here in Krško.
And my name is Neuza, I'm also ABS here in Krško.
And we did this event because previously we did another one that it was called No More Violence in the same topic. And we did it because we were expecting to do like some impact with this topic in Krško. And because we are really in touch with this topic and it's really our way of life, I can
And
say.
also because we think that it's important to start talking about this topic and changing this view that people has about feminism as a bad thing when it's just this kind of fight for equality and just to try to have the same rights as men.
All women have maternal instinct.
No. Prefer what? No?
Yeah.
All women, you say?
Yeah. Most of the women are women.
Yes.
Okay,
Raise
open your eyes.
Why that?
Okay, if we're saying most
You
of the...
too, Nino?
No, I stayed.
Okay.
I'm not a woman, so I don't know.
Okay.
I wanted to come here because I like the thing that is going on, and I wanted also to help to raise concern about this issue, about this feminist movement and this fight for equality. Of course, I would like to spread this knowledge. I work with kids, and I would like to somehow try to give them this knowledge I got here, because it's really important to know this problem from when we are kids, because I think it's the only way we can change this from education or from working with kids in a proper way.
I think it's important to say also after this, no, doesn't exist and nobody's perfect. And I want to add, I want to add with this one, nobody's perfect, and that make it perfect.
She's sexy and cute. She's not to be too sexy because she will be a slut, and she will be that perfect woman. And she's cute, but not too much because she will be just a child. So no.
If I had to do it again, it would be nice to have more local people, because we were all people were EBS, so it were not local people. And what I do really enjoy it, and I'm really proud of it, it was this part more cultural stuff.
Fue como una ola gigante, arrasó con todo y me dejó desnudo frente al mar. Pero sabes, sé bien que es vivir, no hay tiempo para odiar a nadie, ahora sé reír.
We're tired.
Я устала от ограничения репродуктивных прав женщин.
Fatiguée des discriminations professionnelles. Utrujena sem od dvojnega dela. Utrujena sem od dela v službi in utrujena sem od dela doma.
احنا عيانين حدي مقل.
Utrujajo me dvojni standardi.
Pri napredovanju za enako delo, ki ga opravljamo.
Estem cansades del sostre de vidre.
I'm tired of being afraid.
In zdaj še kratek trenutek za ekološke nasvete. Drugačnost brez razlike. To je to za danes, se vidimo v naslednji mladinski oddaji.